Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use the time blocking planning method in Notion, a simple but powerful way to structure your day so you stay focused, productive, and intentional with your time. Time blocking is all about assigning specific blocks of time to specific tasks, instead of letting your day run on autopilot. And with Notion, you can build a system that's flexible, visual, and totally personalized to your routine. Start by creating a page called Time Blocking Planner. Inside it, add a database. Choose the calendar view. This is where your schedule will live. Each event on the calendar represents a block of time. You can create blocks for deep work, meetings, breaks, study sessions, errands, workouts, anything that needs structure in your day. The goal isn't to micromanage every minute, but to give yourself clear boundaries so you know exactly what you're doing and when. Now let's make this calendar more useful. Add properties like category, duration, priority level, and linked tasks. The category helps you group similar activities together, like work, personal time, or learning. Duration lets you see how long each session will take. If you want to be extra organized, add a color-coded select property so each block has its own visual label. This makes your calendar easy to scan at a glance. The key feature that makes Notion time blocking powerful is connecting your schedule with your task list. Create or link your tasks database, then add a relation property so tasks can be assigned to specific time blocks. When you click on a block in the calendar, you can see which tasks you've planned to complete during that session. This eliminates decision fatigue because you already know what you're supposed to focus on during that time. To make your planning process smoother, create a weekly planning view. Duplicate your calendar and filter it to show only the current week. Every Sunday or Monday, sit down and drag tasks into your time blocks. Estimate how long each task will take and place it into a realistic slot on your calendar. This is where time blocking helps you avoid overcommitting. If your calendar is full, you know you need to reschedule or reduce your workload. Notion gives you a visual reality check. You can also add template buttons to make planning faster. For example, create a button that adds a deep work block, a study block, or a break block, with preset properties like duration and category. Just click the button and drag the new block into the calendar. This reduces setup time and makes your planning routine smoother. Once your time blocks are set, use them as a guide throughout your day. Open your daily view each morning and commit to sticking to the schedule as closely as possible. If things change, and they will, that's okay. The beauty of Notion is that you can drag and adjust blocks anytime. Time blocking isn't about being perfect, it's about being intentional. As you finish your day, take 1 minute to review. Did you follow your time blocks? Did something take longer than expected? Use what you learned to adjust future schedules. Over time, you'll get better at estimating and balancing your energy, not just your tasks. The Notion time blocking planning method helps you design your days instead of letting them happen to you. It gives you clarity, structure, and a sense of control, and once you get used to it, planning your week becomes a habit that makes everything else easier.